Hey, what's up, Anchor coin holder? What's going on this time, my friends? Anchor is completely on the profit, and winner holder are starting buying, investing more and more, so the price is more and more increasing. So therefore, I will notify you, my all viewers, my subscriber, to kindly Anchor coin price is very fastly increasing this time. You will also need to hold down. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time, Anchor will give you a very huge profit, so don't miss this chance, please. As you can see, my friend, first of all, so the price is 0.094052 USD dollar, and that's really cheap price. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time 0.1 they will easily hit now. So the change occurring last 1 hour and last 1 day is positive. Otherwise, from last 7 days, increase completely fails down. So therefore, expert says, my friends, in upcoming time, zero for sorry, my friends, 15% huge explosion is coming soon. That's mean to 15% the price is increasing now. Kindly holders, please, you will also need, my friends, to never miss this chance. It's really good chance to you will get a profit. So don't miss this chance, and please, my friends, if you are new my channel, to subscribe this channel, because I will update you, I will guide you, and I will give you very good news. So hope you understand, my friends. Kindly subscribe, man. Just click the red button and subscribe it. All right. So the very huge profit is coming soon, but for that you will need, my friends. My prediction is also going 100% positive. So you will need to just only hold now in 5 to 6 days, my friend. I hope in upcoming days, my friends, they will give you a very good profit. So thanks for watching my all Anchor coin holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope you will subscribe our YouTube channel, and please like video. Allah Hafiz, take care.